Emma was a young girl. She lived in a small town. Every day, Emma walked to school. She had many friends at school. Emma liked to read books. She enjoyed helping her mother at home. Life was simple for Emma. One day, Emma failed her math test. She felt very sad. "I am not smart," she said to herself. The next day, she lost her favorite book. Emma started to cry. "Bad things always happen to me," she whispered. Emma felt hopeless. She did not want to go to school. She stayed in her room all day. Emma's grandmother came to visit. She saw Emma crying in her room. "Why are you sad, my dear?" Grandmother asked. Emma told her about the test in the book. Grandmother smiled softly. "Emma, listen to me," she said. "When bad things happen, think about good things." She continued, "Say to yourself, something good will happen today." Emma looked at her grandmother. "Does this really work?" Emma asked. "Try it tomorrow," Grandmother said with a warm smile. Next morning, Emma woke up. She remembered her grandmother's words. "Something good will happen today," Emma said aloud. At school, her teacher gave her another chance with the math test. Emma studied hard. She thought positive thoughts. "I can do this," she repeated. Emma passed the test. Later, her friend found her lost book. Emma was so happy. Good things did happen. From that day, Emma always thought positive thoughts. When problems came, she said, "Something good will happen." And good things always did happen. Emma learned that thinking positive changes everything.